Good day everybody, Lacetti is here from Busyman. Today we got this Chevrolet Lacetti 2010 gasoline engine. The car is in a pretty good condition. Let's take a look at this car, review everything, show you everything here. Alright. The car looks beautiful, first of all.
Esta es Busyman, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. Busyman, el número de teléfono celular es +8210-7353-2398.
So here's the engine room. The AC is on, so the fans are on. Very dusty, but it sounds okay. Nothing's wrong with it. No gas or smoke are coming out. No oil splitting. It's just dust.
Here we go. So we're inside the car right now. Gonna put the key on. All lights are on. Start the ignition. Car is on. Lights are going off one by one. No problems here, as you can see. Alright, let's try to accelerate. See the RPMs. Okay, start. Okay, it's going up to here. On. Okay, you've seen that. Let's check other stuff. Let's check the radio. FM. 기가 막힙니다. Let's head from here.
자, 강릉 아내가 왜 차갑게 대할까? 왜 그럴까요?
All from here. No, not this one. Anyway, it's working perfectly.
근데 어쩌지? 난 너랑 할 말이 없거든. 아, 진짜 뭐래? 야.
Switch it off. Try the AC. Here's the AC. This is the fan. Cold. It's cold. Okay, it's very, very cold. Wow. Air's coming very strong and very cold. Wow. It's almost freezing here. This one. As you can see. From here. Okay, just switch it off. That's done. What else we got? Windows. Other window. Works perfectly. See the back windows. Perfect. This is seats, this window. Okay, and up until here. This is the seats of the car. They're clean. All clean here, no cuttings. This one is clean here. This one works perfectly, no problem. That's all, I guess. Yeah, Okay, that should be all. Thank you.
This was the review of our car, Chevrolet Cruze Lacetti 2010. As you've seen, everything is good. The condition is very good. The engine is also very good. Sounds good. If you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to reach us out. You can visit us at busyman.kr. If you have any questions or any inquiries, please feel free to ask us. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es Busyman. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.